how to change level on Memrise. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change level on Memrise, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Memrise account, just like I've done here. And then once you are logged in, navigate to the course that you'd like to change its level. So you can just go to the page where your level is being displayed. Okay, and you can see how far you've gone and the likes. So going through all of this, you will see different categories or different levels to your learning. So go ahead, click on the language, which on the absolute beginner level, or just click on the level, and then we take into the page where you see details about your learning progress so far. So in order for you to change levels, you can just scroll and then tap on the level that you would like to start or move to. So by tapping on the level, you can see the requirement for you to be able to go to that level. So which shows that you cannot easily or change or skip level or memorize. The only thing you can do is for you to access different levels easily on Memrise. All right, I just easily access different levels on Memrise, but you cannot change your levels the way you want on the Memrise app. So this is just how to get about it. So check out the levels that you are, then check out the requirement for the level that you'd like to go to, and then decide to put in much effort in learning so that you can easily move to the next level on the Memrise app. So that is it. Thank you for watching and go practice this out.